experimenting with some low-power stuff over here, man. Some flea power audio, ain't no doubt about that. Motormouth Mall, the West Coast Beast. Oh, God, this is crazy. Let me get my knees up in the breeze.
51 Virginia, Motormouth, good afternoon. Motormouth, 51 Virginia.
Hey, 51, how are you doing out there, my friend? Hey, 51 Virginia, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast Beast waving. Let's go.
Hey, right back, Motormouth. We're just sitting here watching no rain come down today. A rainy day in the hills of Virginia, so we're just sitting by the radio. Motormouth, good afternoon, my friend.
Sure. Yeah, I subscribe to the radio over here. I figured I'd try turning something on over here, something I haven't tried in a long time. So I put some different audio processing effects in line here. And I don't know if it's for the better or worse. I don't really, it's hard to say. But anyway, hello, 51 Virginia. Motormouth Mall, me and this undermodulated Cobra got down.
It's working for you, Motormouth, sounding real good there. Got all kinds of audio coming out of it, good and smooth. So, hey, whatever you're doing, hey, Motormouth, it's working, 51. Motormouth, let me get out of the way. I got a whole bunch of locals there trying to get in there and get a little DX, so, hey, I'm not going to hold it up. Motormouth, 51, so have a good evening out there, and we'll get back with you.
Hope you're having a good day out there. I'll tell you what, man, I sure am. We got a little bit of an overcast, kind of a almost rainy condition this morning. It's kind of nice to finally get a little bit of moisture, but you certainly can't call it rain. I mean, it's more like a really heavy fog. Hello to you, 51 Virginia, Motormouth Mall, waving. I got down.
Hey, Motormouth, we've had rain all day, but it's down to about an old drizzle now. But yeah, overcast and a whole lot of rain today. But it's supposed to end sometime today, but we'll take it there as we can get it, Motormouth. Always need a little rain for sure. 51 back out.
And a few others from all over the place, so I'm going to sit back on the side, see what Mother Nature does on this end. Motormouth Mall, the West Coast Beast. Easing this thing back down on the quiet side. And I'm back out. This way.
Bye, Motormouth. Have a good one out there. 51 Virginia. We'll catch you a little later.
Virginia, sounds good. We'll catch you a tad bit later on. Motormouth Mall, waiting for some Mother Nature to get a little bit straighter. Motormouth Mall got down. Motormouth Mall, 26.5 Virginia with the wife. Motormouth Mall, 26.5. Rolling. 302 and the BAM is rolling. I got down. Motormouth Mall, 26.5 Virginia with the wife. Yeah, good afternoon, time to you. There's 302 in the BAM. Good afternoon, time to you, and I appreciate you bumping it down out here and easing up in the straight RAB receiver, man. We're just doing a little bit of testing here with some over-the-top audio, trying to see what we can compress in here in a small space. We're trying to, I don't know how you say it, man. We're trying to put 10 pounds of audio in a 5-pound bag. Hello, once again, 302 to BAM, Motormouth Mall, got down right there. Would you go out to 001, Johnny Slater, jump up down. Always a pleasure. Motormouth Mall's in the back of the bus. That what you're trying to tell me? Working the 302 in the BAM. All right, good deal. Well, I'll tell you what, if it sounds like it's some smoking out there, that's a good thing. If I got the voice coil on your speaker rumbling and moving back and forth a little bit too fast, and you got a bit of smoke pouring out of the doggone equipment over there, that's okay. That's all good. That's what I'm trying to do, man. I'm trying to put some smoke in your radio. I got down. 357, take care now. Always a pleasure. 410, 302 in the BAM. As you said, I'm definitely
Sounding good out there, 288, 51 Virginia.